ever downloaded a GPL WordPress theme and wondered how do I actually activate this thing? So whether you're using it for a client site or your own project, today I'll show you how to install, activate, and set up a GPL theme in WordPress. So yeah, started, go ahead and open WordPress into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. Now, once you're on your account, go ahead and hover your mouse into the appearance section and then click on themes. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on this install new theme. So GPL stands for General Public License. It means the theme is open source. You're free to use it, modify, and redistribute it. No license key required for activation, but setup can vary depending on the theme. So you'll need to download your GPL theme as a zip file first, and then once you're in this section, go ahead and upload that specific zip file. So after that, click on that install button, and then once installed, hit activate. Most GPL themes come with recommended plugins like page builders or demo import tools. You'll see a prompt to install them. Just click begin installing plugins and activate each one. So that is how you can basically activate your GPL WordPress theme. No license key, no restrictions, just full creative freedom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.